Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to import Envato Elements Template kits on WordPress. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, on the left side of the menu, once you end up in your dashboard of WordPress, click on Plugins, and after that, you will find Add New Plugin. Click on this option. It will take you to the place where you can easily download all the plugins for your WordPress. Here on the top right corner, you just need to click on the search plugins, and here you are going to search for Envato. Once you search for Envato, here you can see the first one. Just click on activate. I have already installed it, so that's why it's showing up like this. Otherwise, it will show up like this, install now. And once you activate it, you can see on the left side of the menu, you will find elements. You just need to click on this, and if you want to go for that like directly towards the template kits, you just need to go over here, click on this option, template kits, and here we are. As you can see, we have so many template kits over here, and these all are premium ones, by the way. So you can see over here. So if I want to go with this one, so you can see this is all about medical and pharmacy. If you want this, you can just easily click on preview from over here, and after that you can preview the website whole, like what are the template kits all about. So you can see this is one of the good pharmacy and medical website out there. You can use it for your own purpose, and you can easily click on install kit from over here also. But if you want free template kits from Envato by itself, you can see on the left side of the menu we have free kits also. Just click on this option, you will see multiple free kits also from over here, and those are good as well. So you can see over here photography studio, even planner, even language school. There are a lot of them, and those are also free. So if I go with the esport over here, let's say if I want to preview this one, you can see this is the preview of that website, and in my opinion this looks good, right? After that, go back, click on install kit. You can just click on install kit from over here and you can view, and after that, whichever the page you like, you just need to click on import template, and you can easily import your Envato element template kits from here. So this is how to do it, how you can install or import kits on your WordPress. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.